You're probably wondering, why do I have blue hair? Funny story about that. We've raised a bunch of money on my Twitch channel, which you guys can follow. I stream Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays at 5 p.m. US Eastern Standard Time. Did I really just say, I almost said US 5? Words are hard, alright? I'm not the best when it comes to these things, and I'm okay with admitting that, so let's just continue on with today's video. So yes, I have blue hair. Big deal, okay? Maybe Papa Smurf wanted some friends, alright? I went on an adventure, and that's why I've been gone for 4 months. I've been gone for 4 months? I'm terrible. I said on my last video that I was going to upload once a week, and it's been 4 months. Oh my god, that's terrible. I do. But to those of you that have subscribed to the channel and have just stayed here and you haven't unsubscribed, sincerely, I want to say thank you. I really do. Especially when you got that notification going off whenever I upload a video. I am going to do it this time. I know I said last time that I was going to do it, but this time I'm for real. I have been procrastinating like nobody's business for the past, I'd probably say the past year. I haven't been pursuing things that I've wanted to do, but now that I'm actually doing it, I feel a lot better. I started a workout regimen that I do every morning, different workouts, which really helped my mental health. And then hanging out with my friends, like not acting like someone I wasn't as well, has helped me a lot. Because I used to do that, and I don't know why. I guess the main reason why I did it is because I looked at some of the content creators that I really admire, whether that be Jacksepticeye, Markiplier, and then you have some OBS tutorial channels known as Nutty, Andy Lippy, and also Stream Scheme, which is done by LJ. And I look at their content and I'm like, it's not jealousy, it's more so, how can I be me, but also achieve something similar? So what I'm going to start doing on this channel is going to be actually something I've been really working on, even though I've been procrastinating uploading videos and not pursuing what I've been wanting to do with this channel because it's just been sitting here, and I'm just doing it, you know? I spent way too much time on the thumbnails. The absolutely most frustrating part was the editing, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna say that my editing skills are the best, because they're not, but until I can afford to pay for an editor that doesn't mind helping me, I'll try to do the best I can. What to expect out of this channel, now that I am back on YouTube, I'm gonna try uploading every Sunday, and like I said, I'm not gonna spend an insane amount of time on the thumbnails and everything else, but the information I'm giving you guys, that will be well more worth it than the editing and everything else. So what I want to introduce is, we've already done OBS tutorials on the channel. If you want to, you can go back and look at the playlist and the videos and the VODs. I have a few videos that are definitely need to be updated because I've gotten smarter about OBS. I'm not that dumb. Like, before I started recording this video, my audio bitrate was at 160 instead of 320. And if you don't know what that is, little Timmy, it's okay. I'm gonna help you. I'll set it straight on what bitrate is when it comes to audio bitrate. And it's kind of, it's actually really important, because then your audio doesn't sound like complete ass. So yeah, we're gonna be doing some thing called Beard and Bantering. So Beard and Bantering, to give you guys a perspective on what I'm trying to go for, I'm going to invite my friends and other content creators that have been on, whether it be streaming on YouTube, streaming on Twitch, or whatever platform that you stream on. I want to invite them in and basically have a talk with them and not really ask like the basic questions, you know, what inspired you to start streaming or any of that, but give everyone a little bit of advice when it comes to content creating in their own perspectives. Because I think that it's not only biased, but very, very cringe of me to just give my own opinion, because I'm only one person, and I think that other voices being heard across the multiple platforms and other creators that do this for a living like myself, I think it gives a broader perspective, especially if you're open-minded like myself. It'll sort of help you narrow down, like, maybe you can feel something. Maybe you can get an idea from not only myself, but someone else. So we're gonna start doing that. I'm gonna say February. Like, I'm gonna start doing it on the channel this month in January. But I want to get other people involved. It's going to take time to do that segment. But until we get that segment going, I'll be doing it myself. I do want to continue the game segments. Like, a lot of my friends said that being a Let's Player on YouTube, you know, that's dumb. Don't do it. No one's gonna watch that. Well, I like creating content and I like people laughing at me. I like to make people's days. So another thing I'm gonna do on my off days, like today, I'm going to start little Let's Plays on games that I wouldn't stream, per so to say, but I would like, you know, to record it and then, like, you know, see what you guys have to say about the comments, me dying a lot, or yelling, screaming, making ridiculous faces as I do. I'm a strange individual. And like I said in the beginning of this video, I do stream on Twitch. I stream Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays at 5 p.m. US Eastern Standard Time. If you guys want to go to that link, it'll be in the description down here. So just go down there and you click on it, and then you'll see some of my other content on there. But to get back onto the topics at hand, we're going to be doing Let's Play videos, we're going to be doing some beard and bantering, and then when it comes to OBS tutorials, I still need to figure out what exactly you all want when it comes to tutorials. Like, go ahead, spam the comment section. Okay, maybe not spam. I like the food, but chat already does that enough on Twitch, which I love. But seriously, go ahead, go down the comment section, put down a question or a statement saying, I would like to see a video like this. This will better prepare me and help me on OBS tutorials, because I have been seeing some of my close friends, they just started streaming on Twitch and YouTube, and I feel like they haven't really researched on streaming. They kind of just loaded up OBS or slobs. Please don't use Streamlabs, okay? If you do, that's fine, but Streamlabs. We'll talk about that in a beard and bantering. That's for another video. Because you've stayed this long in the video, I'm going to go ahead and give you all the ultimate secret. The ultimate winner chicken dinner, and the reason why I do what I do now, and it's helped me so much, and I hope this helps you so much as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. So my friend that is a content creator sat down with me, and we were talking about how, you know, how streaming is the way it is, you know, and like how people always say, you know, they don't have enough viewers in their stream, that they're not really going anywhere. But the perspective that he put it in made so much sense. So here's the metaphor. Let's say that you're a bartender and it's a slow night, right? Susie Q's passed out over here. She's had like 15 shots. She's drunk as hell. You're cleaning up the shots. You know, you're just sitting there cleaning, watching TV, but you're enjoying yourself, right? Because it's a win-win. You know, you only got one customer, easy night, right? All right, let me give you that same metaphor. Same bartender, but now it's a busy Friday night. Everyone's chatting. I don't, bartender doesn't have time to watch the TV because he's making relationships with the customers. And that's the kicker. So let's translate that over to Twitch and streaming terms. If no one is really talking in your chat that much, you're getting to enjoy the game. So that's a win, right? Easy night. You're having fun creating content and you're enjoying a game. And on the other hand, let's say that you pause the game, you switch over to your just chatting scene whenever that is, and now you're just chatting, having a good time, getting to know people, and that's why they're going to keep coming back. That's why people go to that establishment. Maybe they like the drinks. The establishment's the platform, which is Twitch. And the reason why they keep coming back to you, though, even though they love the establishment, they keep coming back to you because you established a relationship with them. That's the kicker. And overall, when it comes to streaming, people are going to come and go out of your stream. It is a revolving door, just like owning your own bar. So that's the ultimate secret. That's not really a secret, more of advice that I'm giving you guys. Take it as you will, and I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your day, afternoon, evening. Time zones are a thing. Get out of here, Marty McFly. I love y'all's faces. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.